And welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to easy DIY furniture, where creativity meets practicality, and you don't need to be a woodworking expert to create something stunning for your home. Whether you want to craft a custom coffee table, a space-saving bookshelf, or a sleek nightstand, I'll guide you step by step through the process. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to build your own furniture with minimal tools, budget-friendly materials, and techniques that simplify the entire process. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's dive into the world of DIY furniture making. Alright, let's start with the planning phase, which is crucial for any successful project. First, define your project. Think about what you need in your home: extra storage, a unique coffee table, or a multi-purpose bench. Choose a project that fits your space and skill level. Next, sketch your design. No need to be an artist, just mark dimensions based on available space and plan for additional features like hidden storage or foldable parts. Now, let's talk materials. For budget-friendly options, consider plywood, pine, reclaimed wood, or MDF. If you want something premium, go for oak, walnut, or mahogany. And don't forget eco-friendly choices like bamboo or upcycled wood. Gather your tools. A measuring tape, saw, drill, hammer, and sandpaper are essential. If you have access to an electric sander, miter saw, or pocket hole jig, even better. Let's build a simple DIY nightstand. Step 1. Measure and mark your wood pieces. Use a circular saw or handsaw to cut according to the dimensions. Sand the edges for a smooth finish. Step 2. Assemble the frame. Use wood glue and screws to attach the side panels to the tabletop. Reinforce corners with brackets for added durability. Step 3. Construct a simple drawer using plywood. Install drawer slides for smooth opening and closing. Step 4. Sand the entire structure for a polished look. Apply a wood stain or paint of your choice. Let it dry before placing it in your bedroom. Next up, let's tackle a DIY storage bench with a twist. Step 1. Build the base by cutting 4 wooden legs and attaching them to a rectangular base frame. Secure with screws and wood glue. Step 2. Create the storage space by making a hollow box under the seat using plywood. Add hinges to the seat lid so it lifts open. Step 3. Optional. Upholster the seat by wrapping foam padding and fabric over the top. Staple it underneath for a comfy finish. Step 4. Sand and stain the bench for a polished look. Let it dry before placing it in your entryway or living room. Finally, let's make some floating shelves, the easiest DIY project. Step 1. Use a miter saw to cut planks to size. Sand the edges smooth. Step 2. Apply a stain to match your decor. Let it dry completely. Step 3. Use a stud finder to locate secure wall areas. Screw in heavy-duty floating shelf brackets. Step 4. Slide the shelves onto the brackets. Decorate with books, plants, or display items. Now let's avoid common mistakes. Always measure twice. Cut once. Match screw length to wood thickness. Allow stain and glue to set properly. Reinforce heavy furniture with brackets. And there you have it. 3 easy yet stunning DIY furniture pieces that are budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing DIY content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting! In this chapter, we'll create a DIY coffee table with a rustic finish. Step 1. Measure and cut the wood pieces for the tabletop and legs. Make sure to use a measuring tape for accuracy and a circular saw or handsaw for clean cuts. Step 2. Assemble the tabletop by joining the wood pieces with wood glue and screws. Ensure the pieces are flush and aligned for a sturdy surface. Step 3. Attach the legs to the tabletop using brackets for stability. This will ensure your coffee table can handle the weight of all your favorite items. Step 4. Sand the entire structure for a smooth finish. This step is crucial for a polished look and a comfortable touch. Step 5. Apply a rustic wood stain and let it dry. Choose a stain that complements your living room decor and enhances the natural wood grain. Your rustic coffee table is now ready to enhance your living room decor. Not only have you created a beautiful piece of furniture, but you've also added a touch of personal craftsmanship to your home. Stay tuned for more DIY projects that will transform your space with creativity and practicality. In this chapter, let's discuss some essential tips and tricks for DIY furniture making. Tip 1. Always use a level to ensure your furniture is balanced. A level helps maintain alignment and stability, making your furniture look professional. Tip 2. Pre-drill holes to prevent wood from splitting. This simple step can save you a lot of frustration and keep your projects looking clean and polished. Tip 3. Use clamps to hold pieces together while the glue dries. Clamps ensure a tight bond and keep your pieces in place, giving you a sturdy and durable result. Tip 4. Invest in quality tools for better results. High-quality tools not only make your work easier, but also improve the precision and finish of your projects. Tip 5. Practice safety by wearing protective gear and working in a well-ventilated area. Safety goggles, gloves, and masks can protect you from injuries and harmful fumes, making your DIY experience safe and enjoyable. These tips will help you create professional-looking furniture with ease. Stay tuned for more DIY projects that will transform your space with creativity and practicality. Welcome to Chapter 5, Advanced DIY Furniture Techniques. In this chapter, we'll dive into some advanced methods that will take your DIY furniture projects to the next level. First up, let's talk about joinery techniques. Using methods like dovetail joints can add both strength and visual appeal to your furniture. These joints interlock in a way that makes them incredibly sturdy without the need for screws or nails. Next, consider using wood stains and finishes. These can enhance the natural beauty of the wood and protect it from wear and tear. Experiment with different stains to find the perfect color that complements your home decor. Another advanced technique is incorporating metal accents. Adding metal legs or handles can give your furniture a modern industrial look. Use a combination of wood and metal to create a unique piece that stands out. Finally, let's discuss the importance of upcycling. Repurposing old furniture or materials not only saves money but also adds a touch of history and character to your projects. Look for vintage pieces that you can refurbish and give a new life. With these advanced techniques, you can create truly one-of-a-kind furniture that showcases your skills and creativity. Stay tuned as we wrap up and engage with our amazing DIY community. Maintaining your DIY furniture is just as important as building it. In this segment, we'll share some essential tips to keep your pieces looking their best for years to come. First, let's talk about cleaning. Regular dusting with a soft cloth will prevent dirt buildup. For deeper cleaning, use a mild soap and water solution. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the wood or finish. Next, consider applying a protective coat. Over time, finishes can wear down, especially on frequently used surfaces. Reapplying a sealant or wax can restore the shine and protect against scratches and stains. If you notice any loose joints or wobbly legs, don't wait to fix them. Tighten screws and bolts periodically to ensure stability. For wooden joints, a dab of wood glue can work wonders. Humidity and temperature changes can affect wood furniture. Keep your pieces away from direct sunlight and heating vents to prevent warping and cracking. Using a humidifier during dry seasons can also help maintain the wood's integrity. Lastly, don't forget about upholstery. Regularly vacuum fabric surfaces to remove dust and debris. For stains, spot clean with a fabric-safe cleaner. Leather pieces benefit from occasional conditioning to keep the material supple and prevent cracking. By following these maintenance tips, you'll extend the life of your DIY furniture and keep it looking beautiful. Now let's wrap up and engage with our amazing DIY community. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your DIY projects in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Happy crafting!